How to downgrade from live to regular in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to downgrade from live to regular on TurboTax, you first of all want to open TurboTax and sign into your account. Now go ahead and open your return. In the left menu, you want to scroll down and here find the option of downgrade. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you want to switch from live to regular from there. Remember that TurboTax Free Edition is for customers who are filing simple Form 1040 returns only. If you have additional forms or attachments other than earned income tax credit, child tax credit, and student loan interest, you will need to use a different TurboTax products. You can also clear and start over to switch to a different product. This option erases your information to give you a fresh start in the new product you have chosen. Remember that you can only downgrade if you haven't paid for TurboTax yet, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.